raccoon family and friends. I'm Jules.
And Millie.
Right now we're going to paint this cute little cacti family. Oh, so cute. These two are holding hands. Isn't that great? And then when you hang them on the wall, you can put them all together and won't they be cute?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna show you step by step how we're gonna paint this today with acrylic paints. I'm so excited. Let's get started.
Yay.
All right. First, we're going to take our chalk and we're going to sketch out any shape that we want for the pot. Okay, we're done. Great job. Here they are. Woo! That looks so good. Really good job. These are gonna look so good hanging on the wall together. Very, very well done. We are so excited to see you at this big event. Don't forget to wear clothes that you don't mind getting paint on, because acrylic paint will stain your clothes.
Oh no.
Yeah, and so we're looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day. Bye.